Bonjour, welcome to this exciting video, and in this video we are going to look at simple phrases that we can use to survive in Paris or in France for one day. How do you survive and you are not speaking French? So here are some simple phrases that you can use to survive for a day. When asking for someone's name, you can say Bonjour, vous vous appelez comment? Bonjour, vous vous appelez comment? Hello, what's your name? Requesting for water. How do you request for water? You can say Bonjour, je voudrais de l'eau s'il vous plaît. Bonjour, je voudrais de l'eau s'il vous plaît. Admiring a place. You have gone places, you're visiting places in Paris, and you're admiring, you can express yourself by saying, c'est trop cool. Trop cool. Expressing your opinion about something. For example, you love something or you hate something. What will you say? If you love it, you're going to say, j'adore ça. J'adore ça. I love that. Buying a baguette. You cannot be in France or in Paris without buying or tasting a baguette. So how do you buy a baguette? You can say, une baguette s'il vous plaît. Une baguette s'il vous plaît. A baguette please. How do we say thank you? How do you say thank How do you say thank you? In French, you're going to say merci. Merci. Asking where the train station is. You need to move around in Paris or in France. So where do you ask for different places? For example, you want to ask where is the train station? You are going to say où est la gare, s'il vous plaît? Où est la gare, s'il vous plaît? So you can replace la gare with any other word. You could also say où est l'hôpital, s'il vous plaît? Où est l'hôpital, s'il vous plaît? Où est l'école, s'il vous plaît? Okay, where is the school, please? And in this case, you're saying où est la gare, s'il vous plaît? Where is the train station, please? And when saying goodbye, what are you going to say? Okay, you can say au revoir, but there's a different way of saying if you're going to meet that person again, you can say à bientôt. À bientôt. See you soon. Merci beaucoup et au revoir.